Rosa Courtney, taga Mendez, Cavite kami. And this is my daughter, Cassie.
I'm Bel Mirano.
My name is Rachel.
And my name is Daniel.
Masaya. Actually, this is our first time to celebrate Easter here in the Philippines. So gusto ko lang siya maka-experience. And then we came across Facebook. Nakita namin to. Hindi naman kami nagsisi. Very fun. And it's really good. There's a lot of giveaways. So sobrang nag-enjoy kami.
It was fun. Maraming agenda for today. Nag-enjoy yung mga kids ko. This is our first time here. Since we arrived yesterday, okay naman lahat, including the rooms, yung pool, and other amenities dito sa hotel.
Okay po, accommodating yung mga staff. Saka first time namin dito, masaya. At maraming sponsor yung event, katulad ng Universal Rubina.
Hindi lang masaya yung mga bata, pati kami nag-enjoy din kami.
Okay naman. So, all clean and then friendly yung mga staff. Very accommodating and helpful. At saka pati yung sa receptionist, okay din. Tsaka yung kapag ka sa front desk, kapag may mga need, very accommodating tsaka mabilis naman din yung service.
Masaya po, yung mga pagkain masarap, saka hindi tinipid, marami.
Yung view namin maganda po sa room po namin, room 421. Ayun po, ayun, nakatulog naman po kami ng masarap.
Sobrang saya kasi nandito lang talaga kami for this event. Tapos nanalo pa kami, so mag-stay kami dito, which is super good. Bonus.
Yun po, thank you sa accommodation, saka sana marami pang magtangkilik ng hotel, and salamat sa experience ng Easter. Sobrang happy talaga.
Ayun po, pagpatuloy niyo lang po yung pagiging accommodating sa mga client nyo, talagang napakaganda po dito sa kayo mga staff po talaga is accommodating po sila.
Happy Sunday and a happy Easter, everyone. Thank you for joining us in One Tagaytay Place. In behalf of the staff, in behalf of the sponsors, we thank you from the bottom of our heart. Again, in behalf of One Tagaytay Place, maraming salamat po.